Foods that can aid in weight loss is a great idea. Here's a list of 10 foods that are not only nutritious, but also known to support weight loss efforts. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are low in calories but high in fiber. Vitamins and minerals, making them excellent choices for weight loss. Lean proteins, foods rich in lean proteins such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, lentils, and beans can help promote satiety and preserve muscle mass while on a weight loss journey. Whole grains, opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, barley, and whole wheat bread. Whole grains are high in fiber and nutrients, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins while being low in calories, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, which can help promote feelings of fullness and support muscle maintenance during weight loss. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Despite being calorie-dense, they can aid in weight loss when consumed in moderation due to their satiating effects. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that is rich in protein and essential vitamins and minerals. They can help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day, potentially reducing calorie intake. Avocados are high in healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, which can promote feelings of fullness and help regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating avocado into meals can support weight loss efforts. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. They can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full.